Good morning. Everybody's still asleep, but I'm up early and I'm getting ready to go to work. But I just realized it's the first of the month, and I received these two kits in the mail yesterday. They're from Young Living. They're called Freedom Sleep and Freedom Release, and they were just put back on the market last Monday because it's been out of stock since 2014. And I really wanted to try it because Freedom Sleep is good for just readjusting your sleep pattern, and it helps to reset your body and your mind for a healthy lifestyle. And then Freedom Release is one that is good to follow that with, because after you reset your sleep, you want to release any emotions, or it's good for people with anxiety or people that just want to live a less stressful life. It's also good for people with maybe PTSD or life-changing events that could have affected them. I'm going to try this because anytime that something like this is put out by Young Living, I like to try and give a true testimony as to if these things work. They've never let me down. Everything usually works, so I'm really excited to see how I feel after I do this. So there's a protocol that it comes with called Freedom, and it's a 60-day protocol. So I decided to do this today since it's March 1st, and it'll be easy to keep track of. So days 1 through 30, you're going to use the Freedom Sleep Kit that comes with Freedom Oil, Aroma Sleep Oil, Valor Oil, and Inner Harmony. So we have these here. My husband does not know that I'm doing this, so because he thinks I'm a little crazy sometimes, because I am. So here is the Freedom Oil, and it says apply 1 to 3 drops on the bottom of each foot. So it smells really good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a drop under each foot. And it's super easy. I just looked at the protocol and I thought, God, because I don't keep up with things very well. I'm not very disciplined, but applying oils to my feet in the morning and at night are things that I do anyways. So that's Freedom, 1 to 3 drops to the bottoms of my feet. And then there's Aroma Sleep, 1 to 3 drops to the back of my neck. I'm just going to use 1. I usually sleep really well, but I know that we have a lot of people that we know that don't sleep well. So that's it. 1 to 3 drops to the back of my neck of Aroma Sleep. And then there's Valor. Valor, it says to do 2 drops on the chest over the heart. I'm just going to drop that right in. I have my Allegiant work shirt on. And Valor smells really good. Valor is grounding, and it gives you a sense of courage, and it aligns your body. And there's Inner Harmony, and it says 1 to 3 drops on each wrist. So here's Inner Harmony, and these are the only 4 oils that I'm going to use for day 1 to 30. And then the other set will follow days 31 to 60, and we will see. So I'm going to come on and give you guys a positive testimony in the end, an honest review as to if I start sleeping better and how I feel. All right, guys, have a good day.